In a world of fast-paced city driving, mastering the roads is essential. Introducing the Master Drivers Series. Experience the art of city driving, where skilled drivers thrive in chaotic environments. City driving. Learn to navigate crowded streets with confidence. From defensive driving techniques to traffic management, this course prepares you for the urban jungle. Unlock the power of pattern driving, a proactive approach to road safety. Pattern driving. Sharpen your skills to anticipate hazards, manage space, and make split-second decisions. Drive smarter, not harder. Rear-end collisions, a danger lurking on the roads. Be prepared to avoid one of the most common accidents. Understand the causes, learn to brake effectively, and develop situational awareness to prevent collisions. Master Drivers Series. Your path to becoming a confident, skilled, and responsible driver. Enroll now and take the wheel toward mastery. Click on the link in the description and enroll today.